Hi, Joseph from KILT Beard Company, and we are going to go over some beard products, and specifically targeting Valentine's Day Dapper Gentleman products, and going through the whole entire lineup of what I would do to look my best, not just for a date or for Valentine's Day, just any day. But I'll tell you the subtle differences when it comes to Dapper Gentleman beard products. So let's get into it. And this is only one take I'm doing for all this. So yeah, let's get into it. So beard oil, bam. So this is the 2 ounce beard oil. You also get the 1 ounce beard oil. If you have a beard like mine, you definitely want the 2 ounce. 1 ounce for everybody else. So I always shake up the beard oil, like so. Because just like anything else, it settles over time. So I'll shake it up, make sure everything interacts with each other, and we're gonna rock this out. So because I have a big beard, put about 2 droppers in. So this is like a 2/3 dropper when it sucks it all up. The other one will be for like a 1 ounce. It will be a full dropper, so 2 full droppers for a 1 ounce. So I always go underneath the beard, like so. Get in the skin because we want to first get the moisturization properties to the skin and to the follicle, the root there, to keep our beard moisturized and healthy. I know beards everywhere right now. And what I do, and especially with this beard oil, because it's going to make your beard shine in the right lighting, I put one more droplet and I put it into the lower lip and along the jawline, where most people experience beard itch. So I'm going to do that real quick too. So what's unique about the Dapper Gentleman is that A, it smells amazing, in my opinion, and many other people's opinion. And why, you may ask, is because it has 5 aphrodisiac scents. It has rose, geranium, lang lang, ginger, patchouli, sandalwood, and if I didn't say ginger too. So get that all over my beard. And then what I'll do is I'll comb it through. So, and this is just after I came out of the shower. So I'll comb it through. I'll go underneath first, because that's where I started. Kind of like how gravity goes. It kind of all goes downhill. And I got caught up here a little bit in my beard, but we're good. And slowly go down. You don't want to tug or pull your hairs. Let the comb do its job. If not, as I would say, back out. So we do that. We're slowly getting down there. All right. So that's how we apply the beard oil. This beard oil, particularly Dapper Gentleman, is going to be quick absorbing. Quick absorbing within 5 to 10 minutes. Won't be greasy on the outside, won't be greasy underneath. They'll be highly moisturizing on the skin, and there will be no beard itch. And like I said, your beard will glow and it's going to smell amazing. And that's for the beard oil. Now, stacking. So when we stack, what we mean by that is you add either a butter or a balm. For the sake of the video, I'm going to do both. So the balm, Dapper Gentleman balm, this is best for styling. What I mean by that, it has beeswax in it, which is going to be a natural ingredient to kind of make your beard more straighter, more in line. Now, this is going to be a rough version right now, what I'm going to do, but I think you guys get the point. Some people will add heat and everything and do all these crazy things. I don't do that just because I have a lot of curls and it takes time to get through these curls, but let's get into it. So like the beard oil, this has 5 aphrodisiac scents, so this is going to enhance the scents even more. It also has 3 butters in it. You will not find that in many balms. 3 butters. It has shea butter, cupuka butter, and mango butter. Cupuka butter on itself, 200 to 300% its own water weight it holds. So basically it's highly moisturizing, and I don't know why people don't use it more often, but KILT Beard Company does use this. So here's a balm. And how much do you use? I use about pea size. A little bit bigger than pea size. It smells amazing. All right, so we have to warm this up. Now, when you get our balm, the butter's going to melt really quickly. It may take an extra, I don't know, 5 seconds for the beeswax to melt because it melts at a higher rate. But it won't be grainy. It won't be anything like that. It won't be anything crazy like that. So that's what it is right there. Nice and good. So what I'm going to do is go underneath again, and then on top. Give them that stash, give them a thick stash. Get all these fats in there from the butters. One other cool thing we put in our balm is raspberry oil. So if you're outdoors a lot, it gives you some SPF protection too. I think like an SPF 30. But yeah, so that's how you put the balm in. Then once again, I'm gonna comb it out. So I always start from the bottom get all those hairs that are curling under and getting hidden under. It's going to make your beard look a lot fuller and more presentable. And this is for the sake of the video. It's going to be really quick. But I think you're starting to get the idea of what this will look like when you really take and put the TLC time in there. And then some people will use a hair dryer and go really slowly through it. So hair dryer and comb and go really slowly through it to really get those straighter lines. I'm not doing that today, but this is how I'm gonna style my stash for right now. You get these combs on our shop. These are made of carbon fiber, and it works really well in the stash, and even the beard if you have a straighter beard, unlike mine. So if I were to go on a date, I probably would do a hair dryer and maybe even just a little bit more balm for my size of beard and get a little bit straighter. But that being said, when this dries in about, or solidifies in about 5-10 minutes, it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to sway like a flag, like in the wind, but it's not going to just be everywhere. So it holds really well. It's got a light to medium hold, so it's going to hold really well and just presentable. So yeah, so this is how I would go out and really just rock my beard out for Valentine's Day or date night, and have those aphrodisiac scents, have a good moisturized beard. And like I said, you start your pregame now. When you do this for about 5 to 7 days, you're going to significantly feel that your beard is getting a lot softer and less coarse. Beard drift or dandruff, whatever you want to call it, is going to be gone, and you won't be scratching your beard anymore. When you get close to your significant other, it's not going to be coarse. It's going to be very approachable, and that's what we're going for. Kind of break down those taboos about beards. Basically, the only taboo is that people who are not using the right products or don't use products at all create a bad rap for beards in general. So that's what I do for a balm. KILT's Best Beard Butter has 3 butters, and they are their first 3 ingredients, which means there's more butter than all the other ingredients. You won't find this in most butters on the market, if any, besides ours. So when do you get all that? You get more fats, along with complementary carrier oils instead of the other way around. These fats are going to lock in the oil, so you put the beard oil underneath, and then you lock it in with the beard butter. And once again, we're going to have that amazing scent, and my hands are greasy. We're going to have that amazing scent of those 5 aphrodisiac scents. So, beard butter, this is even easier than the balm because it doesn't have beeswax in it. So it's not really made for styling, but it is a solid, so it will have some styling properties. But if you want more styling property, I would definitely go with the balm. When I use this, going back on what I was going to say a second ago, I use this to moisturize my skin and beard and have a very light hold, like I just said, of this light solidity of this beard butter. The other one is, before I go to bed, I'll put this in my beard and on my skin, and I'll just let it moisturize it, keep it moisturized throughout the night. Because through the night, we basically are dehydrated because we don't drink any water when we're sleeping, right? And that's about, for most of us, between 6 and 9 hours. And we need to get a bit of beard butter in there to keep our skin and our beard nice and moisturized, nice and healthy, just like anything else. So, rub up my hands like so. Done. 3 to 5 seconds. That's all it took to melt. And once again, we're going underneath, because on top for the beard butter is really not going to help anything besides I'll make it glow or shiny maybe a little bit, and get in that jawline area like so. And once again, gonna comb it out from the bottom out, then top down. It's kind of like a create my own song: bottom up, top down. Now I'm doing all corporate on you now, but all right. So once again, I'm going to my stash with my smaller comb. And if you would like a mustache wax, KILT Company's got 3 amazing mustache waxes. Check them out. So that's all I do for beard oils, beard balm, and beard butter. The Dapper Gentleman is amazing. It has 5 aphrodisiac scents, like I've said, and that's going to make you smell more attractive. But on top of that, you have all the good stuff that's going to keep your beard nice and moisturized and healthy. No split ends, no more beard drift. The coarseness is going to be gone. Your significant other is going to get closer to you. They're going to start rubbing or running their hands through your beard and facial hair, so you're just be more approachable. If you have any questions, like I said, reach out. We're here to help you succeed and help you live your best beard life. Just for the KILT Company. Out.